When we sleep peacefully, someone is awake, guarding our dreams. It's the Indian Army that protects our borders, our homes, and our hopes. They choose danger so that we can live in peace. And when the moment comes, they say, Ya dil mange more, ready for the next mission. Namaste everyone. This is Shreya Joshi B from Rashtrathana Vidya Kendra, Srinagar, Mysore. Today I will speak about a brave soldier of India, Captain Vikram Batra, who is popularly known as Sher Shah of Kargil. Vikram Batra was born on 9 September 1974 in Parampur, Himachal Pradesh. As a boy, he wanted to join the Indian Armed Forces. At DAV College, Chandigarh, he joined the NCC and even marched in Republic Day Parade. His determination led him to join the Indian Army. He was commissioned into 13 Jammu Kashmir Rifles in December 1997. In 1999, the Kargil War began. Enemy soldiers had occupied the high peak in Dras sector that overlooked the Srinagar-Leh road. These positions were dangerous and gave the enemy strong control over the area. Two important peaks were Point 5140 and Point 4875. Capturing them was crucial to protect India's supply route and push the enemy back. On June 20, 1999, Captain Vikram Batra led his company to capture Point 5140. He and his men moved silently from east and reached very close to enemy without being directed. During the assault, he fought with the enemy at close quarter and killed several intruders. After the victory, he radioed the famous word Ya dil mange more, showing his courage and readiness to take on next challenge. The next task was to capture Point 4875. On 7 June 1999, Captain Vikram Batra led the assault alone and narrow ridge with step-off drop on both sides. He climbed and fought from the front, engaging the enemy in fierce hand-to-hand combat. He killed several enemy soldiers at point of blank range. Even after being seriously wounded, he crawled forward and hurled grenade to clear the position. His action inspired his men to press on, and they ultimately captured Point 4875. Captain Batra later succumbed to his injuries, giving his life for nation. For his courage, leadership and sacrifice, Captain Vikram Batra was awarded the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest military decoration. His story had been told in books and film, and many memorial halls honor his memory. People remember him not only for his bravery but also for his leadership. He always led from the front and never asked his man to do something he would not do himself. There are three simple lessons we can learn from Captain Vikram Batra's life. First, to be courageous when task is difficult. Face it with resolve. Second, lead by example. True leaders act, not only command. Third, we have love for your duty and your country. Small act of responsibility builds strong character. To conclude, Captain Vikram Batra was a brave soldier whose action in Kargil War inspired the entire nation. His words, Ya dil mange more, remind us to keep striving for the right. Let us remember his courage and try to follow his example in our studies, sports and daily life. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind.